Tibial tuberosity advancement, or TTA instruments, provide cranial cruciate ligament repair in dogs. This procedure involves dissecting the front of the tibia bone and moving the cut portion forward, which reduces abnormal sliding in knee joints. TTA implants and instrumentation are the most commonly used in cruciate repair. It serves as a fairly simple procedure and gives the dog a quicker recovery time. There are two systems when it comes to TTA. The first one is a plate with a fork, and the second is a plate without a fork, in which screws are used instead. The screws and cages come in a variety of lengths and sizes. The cage sizes are 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, 9, 10.5, and 12 millimeters. All cages rotate 360 degrees. The plate sizes with forks are available with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 holes. And forkless plates are available in sizes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The titanium color-coded screws are available in sizes 2.4 millimeters, starting from size 6 through size 40 in increments of 2. 2.7 starting from size 6 through size 40 millimeter in increments of 2. And 3.5 starting from size 8 through 40 millimeters in increments of 2. We also carry 2.4 cruciform bone screws, self-taping from size 8 through 38 millimeters. The TTA instruments include a TTA fork inserter, TTA plate bender, bone centering clamp, TTA spreader, T-handle, TTA insert spacer number 6 and number 9, as well as number 12. TTA drill guide 2.5 and 3.5 millimeters, TTA drill guide 2.0 and 2.7 millimeters, 1.8 millimeter drill bits, self-centered, 2.0 millimeter drill bits, plain shaft, 2.5 millimeter drill bits, plain shaft, screwdriver with AO grip, screwdriver shaft for 2.7 and 3.5 millimeter screw, screwdriver shaft for 2.4 millimeter hex screw, and a depth gauge TTA for 160 and 40 millimeters. For more information, call, email, or visit our websites.